Hi, my name is Darren Sakunis from Fortin Electronic Systems. Today I like to do two things. First of all, I'd like to introduce our new EVO series, the EVO-CHR. What I'm going to demonstrate second is a complete installation with the EVO-CHR into this 2009 Dodge Caliber. The EVO-CHR comes with a T-harness. As you can see with the harness, there's no transponder. It's just a simple male and female Chrysler end connection. There are two different harnesses that come for the different Chrysler vehicles. On this one today we'll be using this harness for the 2009 Dodge Caliber. The EVO-CHR not only works on the 09 Dodge Caliber, it works on all Chrysler, Dodge and Jeep vehicles all the way from year 2004 till today. So it's an all-in-one Chrysler solution. In order to demonstrate this, I've already removed the screws from the bottom of the steering column shroud here. I'm going to pop it off. I'm going to show you where this T-harness connects at the ignition column. As you can see right here, all we need to do is unplug the ignition column harness, take the T-harness and plug the male end into the ignition column and the female end into the male end of the vehicle. This end goes into the secondary harness of the EVO-CHR. While we plug it in, we're going to hold down the programming switch. As you can see, the red light came on. To program the EVO-CHR, all we need to do is insert the key twice. Once till the LED blinks once. Remove the key, put it back in, turn it on until it starts flashing. We're going to hit lock. The EVO-CHR is now programmed to the 09 Dodge Caliber. The EVO-CHR is two-way data link as well as analog connection on the primary harness, but for today we're going to demonstrate a two-way data link compatible remote starter. We're going to take our 4-wire two-way data link cable and we're going to plug it into the other end of the EVO-CHR like this, and of course every remote starter needs an antenna. And we're going to plug the antenna in here. Now through this, the remote's programmed already to the remote starter. I can lock and unlock the doors with my remote starter through CAN at the ignition column. I can also remote start the vehicle. We're done. All we need to do is tuck away the wires, tie strap them, and we've got a full remote start and bypass interface solution. First of our EVO series, the EVO-CHR. Okay, we've already done a remote start, but what we need to do is a remote takeover for idle mode. So we're going to remote start the vehicle. We're going to insert the key. We're going to hit the brake, and now we can drive away. And we can also continue to use the keyless entry on the remote start. The customer simply gets out and can arm the system. Thanks for watching.